Whether you love him or hate him, one thing is undeniable. Donald Trump knows how to shake up markets and economies. With a possible return to the presidency in 2025, major opportunities are on the horizon for smart investors and entrepreneurs. So, how can you position yourself to profit if Trump takes office again? Stay tuned because in this video, we'll break down key industries, strategies, and actionable tips to help you thrive during a Trump presidency. What a Trump presidency means for the economy. Donald Trump's previous term emphasized tax cuts, deregulation, and a focus on domestic manufacturing and energy independence. Historically, industries like oil and gas, defense, construction, and technology thrived under his policies. Markets often respond strongly to Trump's rhetoric and policy announcements, creating both risks and massive opportunities. Remember, every change in leadership comes with winners and losers in the economic world. Understanding those shifts is the key to profiting. Key industries. Poised to benefit energy sector. Trump supports fossil fuels, coal, and domestic oil production. Companies involved in drilling and pipeline infrastructure may see gains. Defense and military. Increased military budgets often mean lucrative contracts for defense companies. Infrastructure and construction. Trump's focus on rebuilding American infrastructure could lead to a boom in construction projects. Manufacturing. Tariffs on imports may boost local manufacturing industries. Financial markets. Lower taxes and deregulation often favor financial institutions and large corporations. Stocks in these sectors could be the golden ticket for savvy investors. Keep an eye on companies like ExxonMobil, Lockheed Martin, and Caterpillar. Investment strategies for a Trump presidency. Diversify your portfolio. Focus on sectors aligned with Trump's policy priorities. Stay informed. Follow political updates and policy announcements closely. Invest in index funds. Consider funds that track major indices influenced by Trump's policies. Short-term versus long-term. Some policies create immediate market spikes, while others offer steady long-term growth. Investing isn't about emotion, it's about strategy. Don't let political bias cloud your financial decisions. Risks and challenges to consider. Market volatility. Trump's unpredictable communication style can trigger sudden market swings. Trade wars. Increased tariffs may create trade tensions, impacting certain sectors. Political divisions. Internal instability can create economic uncertainty. Profiting from a Trump presidency isn't just about the upside. It's also about managing the risks wisely. How entrepreneurs can benefit. Government contracts. Look for opportunities in defense and infrastructure projects. Policy-driven businesses. Start ventures that align with Trump's economic focus. Think manufacturing, energy, and defense consulting. Leverage tax policies. Take advantage of tax cuts and incentives for small businesses. Entrepreneurs who adapt quickly to changing political landscapes are the ones who thrive. Action plan for 2025 start. Preparing now. Research potential market winners and losers. Build your network. Connect with industry leaders and experts. Stay politically aware. Policy changes happen fast. Be ready to pivot. Educate yourself. Stay informed about economic forecasts and market trends. Success favors the prepared mind. If you start strategizing now, you'll be miles ahead when 2025 arrives. Whether Trump returns to office or not, understanding how political leadership impacts the economy is a skill every investor and entrepreneur needs. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this with your network. And now, it's your turn. Comment below and let me know. How are you preparing for a potential Trump presidency in 2025?